Hi, welcome back to the channel. We're in for some wild weather over the next few days apparently. Snow is on its way, apparently. I'm not talking huge amounts of snow. We're probably in for 5 centimeters at max. It's going to start raining this afternoon and I really want to get those trees in the ground. In the last video, I used that auger attachment on the excavator to dig all those holes up our driveway. So this morning when I head out, I'm going to go to our local nursery. They've put aside some black beech native trees for me and we'll pick those up and hopefully get them in the ground before the weather turns this afternoon. So let's get into it. I've decided to plant black beech trees down the driveway, not just because I think they'll look amazing in the years and decades to come, but because they play such a key role in supporting native bees. Black beech trees host this tiny insect called the sooty beech scale, and these insects feed on the tree's sap, and in return they produce a sweet, sticky substance called honeydew. This honeydew becomes a vital food source for the bees. It's like a natural year-round sugar source. Okay, plant one. Let's go. It is not very tropical out here at the moment. It is pretty cold. They look pretty good. All right, what have we got here? There's a few rocks around. Okay, number one tree in. Looking good. It is beautiful weather out here today. We actually have a few beehives on our property and bees are renowned for travelling kilometres to find black beech trees and collect their honeydew. So it's nice to be able to plant some trees like this a little closer to home for them. In fact, the hills around us, once upon a time, were absolutely covered in these trees. So nice to be planting a native tree that's native to our local area as well. These seem to be really nice, well-grown trees. The reason why I wanted to get these trees from the nursery around the corner, and this is a very important point, is that these trees are already climatized to this area. Really bad northwest winds here. These trees have grown up used to it. It gets quite cold here, we get frosts, we get snow, and again, these trees have grown up from seedlings and they're used to it. The weather is closing in, so we're almost three trees down. I'm hoping we can get this done. Well, I tell you what, it is freezing cold. I just had lunch and I had to put on a windproof jacket. It's pretty cold out here. Weather's telling me I've got probably about another hour before it's going to start raining, so I've got another 5 or 6 plants to get in the ground. Should be able to get it done. Let's go. You'll notice I'm creating a dirt mound around the base of the tree. This is important because it helps retain moisture where the young tree needs it most, at its roots. I think my cows are hungry. Oh, they even look straight. the trees are looking really great. Now it's time to get out there and feed some hungry cows before that weather sets in. It's raining just up the road. This is my 15 Angus heifers. They are all about 1.5 years old now, and they are so great to work with. They all have such a good temperament. That weather is really coming in now. Starting to shower. Pretty cold here over the weekend. They are predicting snow, so we'll keep you updated. Hopefully not too much. But yeah, we got there just in the nick of time today. Got the trees in, cows fed. Now I think it's time to get inside and enjoy the fire. So, hey, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.